Welcome to Tripwise Travels, your ultimate travel companion for exploring the world, smarter, not harder. Planning your next adventure. We're here to give you the best ideas for things to do, places to visit, and the top ways to save money while you're at it. From booking city passes to finding the best global travel passes like the Eurail Global Mobile Pass for 33 countries in Europe, we've got you covered. Ready to see the world? Subscribe for the latest travel tips, destination ideas, and the best booking options to make your dream trip a reality. Let's explore the world together, one smart trip at a time. Tripwise Travels, smart travel, more adventure, more places to see. Thanks for watching. And check out the links in the description for unforgettable day trips and experiences in cities and places around the world. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on beautiful places to visit, the best guided tours and unforgettable sightseeing experiences to explore. Happy travels and see you in the next video.